A closed loop antenna. It can be any loop. Typically, most useful is one-wave loop, but it can be two-wave or half-wave loop. They have every own benefits and they have own trouble to feeding, because it's not exactly same feeding and not impedance same. Also changing impedance depending how high from the ground loop. Typically horizontally, one wave loop is most used on the 80 meter and sometimes on 160. But changing shape of the loop, circumference is the same, 1 lambda. We can change impedance. It can be 200 ohm, 112 ohm, its characteristics, or 50 ohm. It must better for us because we use coaxial cable. They are 50 ohm, and we need just common mode current choke or 1x1 balloon, anything. It can be work. It's many variant how can make a quad loop. This is typically how to set up one wave loop for 80 meter, sometime for 160, but 160 need too much wire and not too much gain give. But this is most how we do it. This is usually a delta loop, what everybody know, but this is not only one way how can make it. It can make it with different size of the each sides. If change ratio of the sides, you can change the impedance, and this is what we need without balloon. Or if we insist on the nice triangle, same side length, we need adequate balloon. And this balloon, it can work only with this. This is usually what people make. And this have up to 200 ohm. So we need 4 to 1 balloon. If work on the single band, it can be even on the higher band without making transformer balloon using a coaxial loop. And this is customized loop. This have 50 ohm feed point, and radiation pattern is pretty good, but feed point is 50 ohm. This is much more easy to feed without any kind of balloon, just common choke. And definition: a full wave loop is words imply continuous loop of the wire or the other conductor approximately one wavelength long, usually with two ends on the loop connected to the feed line. The exact length of resonance depends on the diameter of the conductor and the shape of the loop, but it's larger than one wave in the free space. So we can use formula 306 divided by megahertz to get meters, dimension in meters, or 1005 divided to megahertz to give us length in the feet. Closed loop, just close in the short any static, any other noise so we receive only functional signal what we need. We receive signal on the band what we actually need. So it can be make in vertical antenna using a static electricity discharge resistor, usually 100 kilo ohm to 1 mega ohm, to provide path to discharge this static charge. Noise reduction, but constantly discharging the static the resistor prevents it from reaching a level when discharge as a spark, causing clicks and pops on the receiver. And component protection. It can be protect your radio from the accumulated charge and damage, destroy sensitive receiver, input transistors or coupling capacitor. The resistor safety discharge this energy. Improve signal quality. In addition, reducing static, the resistor help dump resonant noise, improving the overall signal to noise ratio environment with high EME. And after all, noise floor will be much more lower with static discharge resistor. I never claim that I know everything, but I know something, and this something is much more than most people know. Thank you. This is 9 Alpha 3 Hotel Papa, your friendly Radio Elmer. Please like, share, subscribe. This is 9 Alpha 3 Hotel Papa.